Hello and welcome back. Today we're in Manila, Philippines, trying the famous lechon. Lechon is derived from the Spanish word suckling roasted pig and is one of the most popular dishes in the Philippines. The slowly roasted succulent pig is usually stuffed with lemongrass, turmeric, garlic, onions and chives and is then roasted over an open fire. So come along with me today as I try this amazing succulent pig at a flea market in the Philippines. That's good. Hey guys, my name is Jack Tor and welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning guys, from another day here in Manila, Philippines. Today we are going to Legazpi Sunday Market. It's a local flea market here in Manila and I'm really excited to take you guys along. We're gonna get one of these tricycle bikes, so let's go.
Oh baby, don't cry, don't cry, 'cause there's always tomorrow.
So we've just arrived, we just got off the trike, and to get to the market you actually have to walk through this really nice park area. It's actually a really nice green space with a lot of old trees, and there's also gum trees behind me as well, which reminds me a lot of home. Only a few more months now until I go back to Australia for Christmas, so I'm really excited about that.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that.
So we've just walked into the market and first impressions is there's a lot of different types of food to choose from hot dogs to grilled meat to sweets to fish. It's just crazy. There's also a lot of people here as well, so because this is on a Sunday where it's the day of rest, people's day off, I think it's quite a common sort of not tradition but nice thing to do on a Sunday with your family. So there's a lot of families here, a lot of kids as well. I only had a small breakfast this morning to fit in some food, so let's try and find some food and try some different things. This is a massive big pig, full pork being cut up right here. Wow.
Lechon, sir.
Hello, how are you going? Wow. Did you cook this morning? Did you cook this morning?
Yes.
Wow.
At 4 a.m.
4 a.m. 4 a.m. you cook this? Wow. And would you sell all of this today? Most of it? Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh yes, please. What bit's the best bit?
Here's the skin and here.
Okay. Cool. Alright. That's good. It's really crunchy, yeah. I might buy some. How much is a small?
1 quart if you want.
Okay. Yeah, one person is good. So I'm just ordering some small bit of pork right now. What's that?
This is 1 kilo.
That's 1 kilo. Okay, yeah, I'll just get something small.
1 quart is
Yeah.
okay.
Wow.
Here's the skin.
Okay, cool.
Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go.
So not only do they have lots of food here, but they also have your oils and shampoos and also clothes as well. It's just crazy the amount of different things that they have here. Everyone's store is so creative. They have all different types of food and sweets, and there's iced tea, and there's also jams and honeys. It's just crazy. There's just so many different things, and everyone's trying to get your attention and yelling out saying ice cream, honey, pork. It's crazy. Oh wow, look at this. So they have seafood here.
Yes sir, please.
Hello. What's this?
Quail egg.
Okay, going to try some quail egg, which I've never tried before.
One vinegar.
Vinegar, yes please. So you can also get your fresh fruit and vegetables here for the week. So theoretically, if you came here on a Sunday, you could do your whole Sunday shop for the whole week and get everything you pretty much need. You would only need to go to the grocery store to get things like cereal and milk, things of that nature. But all your fresh produce, meat and seafood, you could easily get it here every weekend, which is something really cool, shopping local and supporting the community. Wow, these are cool. Did you make these? Wow. What gave you the inspiration? Shame that guy didn't want to have a chat. I could have supported his business a bit more, but I love people creating, you know, art and things of that nature just out of scrap metal and reusable stuff that would otherwise end up in landfill. Create an amazing sculpture and art like that is crazy. If I wasn't traveling and if I was going back home to Australia straight after this trip, if this was like a holiday, then I would take it back, but I don't have enough room in my bag. But that's something really cool and something I'd definitely buy myself. Another thing that really fascinates me is if these vendors actually have jobs during the week as well, or if this is their only source of income, or if they do other markets during the week, or they actually have a main store. So if you're watching and if you know any vendors here, or if you're a vendor watching, let me know in the comments, what else do you do during your week? It'd be really fascinating to know. So I've just went around the market and bought a few things to show you guys and to try for you guys. I'm going to be so full after I try all of this. So essentially, I've got tofu, I've got a fried banana wrap of some sort, and a orange and lemon shake. I've also got the pork belly that we saw, and a bit of pork crackling on that, and also quail eggs, which I'm not too sure about. So I think that quail eggs, fried quail eggs, is a Filipino dish and like almost, I don't want to say delicacy, but something that they have here. So first things first, I'm going to try the tofu here. So let's give this a go. Wow. So the spices and the flavoring that's covered in that is really nice. Pretty much melts in your mouth. There's onion, looks to be some spinach, potato, maybe even a little bit of chili. Wow, that's really, really good. Now we're going to try the banana deep fried wrap. So let's give this a try. So let's give this one a try. Okay. So the fried pastry around it's really crunchy. You have that gooiness of the banana on the inside. Surrounding it is a coat of like caramelized sugar, but it's not too overpowering, it's not too sweet, which is what I love. If something's too sweet and too much sugar, it's not for me. I rather more fresh stuff, so that is really, really nice. I'm gonna try the orange and lemon drink now. Oh, whoa. That is really good. You know when you buy a drink and it's just filled with sugar and it's processed and it's a bit, you know, not that fresh? This is the total opposite. This is like freshly juice mixed with ice. Wow, that is lovely. Next up, we have this pork that I bought for 350 pesos. So you saw just before I tried the pork crackling, so let's give the meat a taste. Oh my gosh. It melts in your mouth straight away. Man, that is worth the 350 pesos, let me tell you. I thought it was a little bit on the expensive side, but it is really good. So I'm just gonna try it now with the sauce that got given to us. Don't mind my fingers here. That is amazing. So the sauce is like, it's sort of like a gravy. So I think it's like boiled down fat with some garlic and pepper and different things of that sort. I'll try a little bit of the more fatty piece of meat now. Wow. They cooked this at 4 a.m. this morning, and now they're doing this whole market for the whole day, and they'll go back home. Crazy. That is worth the money right there. So next up, we've got quail eggs. Now, I've never actually had quail eggs before. The last time I saw quail eggs was in Thailand, but I've never had fried quail eggs like this. So let's give this a taste. Oh, it's hot. I'm not too sure if I like it. The egg itself inside is okay, but the fried bit of it is quite weird. You can actually see here, you can see the difference between the fried bit and the quail egg. So the quail egg's like boiled, then you have this fried bit. This fried bit here isn't the nicest, but that's okay. It was only 50 pesos, so that's about $1.50 AUD or about $1 US. So not too bad, but this pork is a winner here. So this is a really nice and clean part of Manila. It sort of reminds me of like Vancouver in Canada, or like sort of Singapore even. Like all the grass is trimmed, the hedges are trimmed, there's no rubbish, the buildings are really nice, it's all taken care of and looked after. So yeah, this is a really, really nice spot here in Manila. So I recommend anyone actually who wants to come here. There's lovely cafes and the sidewalks are really nice as well, lovely trees. It's really taken care of, and there's a lot of investment in this part of the city, which is lovely to see. Rightio guys, so that ends today's flea market video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I don't normally do in-depth market reviews and food reviews, but this one was really good. The food was really, really nice. So leave your thoughts in the comments. What was your favorite food and what did you enjoy the most? As always guys, keep it real. Cheers.